Okay. Here we go. Wow, the first place award and a $500 cash prize in the 13 to 18-year-old age category goes to... Why am I nervous? I know this name. Kyrsti Chavez for Don't Rain on My Parade. Come on.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and potter. Life's candy and the sun's a bowl of butter. Don't bring around the clouds to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? How much am I banned out? I'll be my drum. And if I fan out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hot, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm a rose of sheer perfection, a freckle of a nose of life's complexion, a sin or the shiny apple of this eye, I gotta fly once, I've gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Ooh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see I've gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply got marks, my heart's a drama. Don't bring around the clouds to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Einstein, here I am. I'll march my band and I'll beat my drum. And if I fan out, you're not that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. Guess you didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my arms to Jim and nobody don't nobody is gonna rain on my
Boy, we were talking backstage. I asked you how many years you've been involved with this?
I've been doing this for 6 years.
So this is really a great kind of thank you.
Yes.
A lot of hard work.
Oh, so much hard work. I love doing this. It's so fun.
And who gets your prize money? I mean, the charity portion.
My charity is for Kids. It's for cancer, and every year there's a marathon that we do. I sing the national anthem. I help the runners. I give them the medals when they're done, help them with the water, and yeah.
I just want to say one other thing. You've been here 6 years. You've enjoyed it. You haven't always taken home a prize, but it's always just as much fun, isn't it? This is just a little icing.
Yes, I love doing this.
Very good. Well, congratulations. Very good. All right.